Rubber leg tips. This is my last and final attempt to solve this chair fiasco in the dining room. These chairs have been a major source of annoyance since I got them because the floor protector pad things don't stay on the legs. They'll be okay for a couple of days, but then when you sit in the chair, it's actually kind of funny. The thingy, like, it goes flying across the room for some reason, and then a patch of sticky nonsense is left on the floor. There's one of them right there, and it's very difficult to clean off. So then I got these because I thought that the problem was like the chair leg is not straight, or it's not exactly perpendicular with the floor. So I thought if I put these on there and put them on at an angle so that they're perpendicular with the floor, then there's no reason that the pad should fly out from underneath it anymore. But I think it actually got worse, so that didn't work. And so now I've got these rubber leg tips that we're going to put on the chairs, and I really can't imagine that this won't solve the problem, but who knows at this rate. So we're going to take these off because they did not work in this application. I suppose they would work perfectly fine for something else, so I'll hold on to these for some other application. And then we're going to install the rubber leg tips into this chair. See, this is what it does. Like, this one is almost on the verge of flying off. If you sat in this chair one or two more times, this would shoot out from under there and it would leave that sticky mess on the floor. Very annoying. So here we go with the rubber leg tips from Everbilt. Can be used under tubular metal furniture or wood furniture. This is wood furniture. Made in China. There's the informations. Alright, let's see how this works. It's going to be a very tight fit, I think. It is a tight fit, but it works. Okay. The rubber leg tips are installed. So it's not ideal because now the chairs do not slide. Looks like it'll slide out, but it won't slide back in. So we'll have to pick up the chair in order to put it back, but I can live with that. I couldn't live with the sticky stuff all over the floor. So hopefully this is the end of this saga. It looks a little goofy, but I'd rather have it look like this than clean the floor for 15 minutes every couple of days because there's sticky patches everywhere.